Children, in today's class, I shall start with question number 5 of exercise 1.3. Question 5 is find the products using suitable properties. A part is 26 multiplied by minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Okay? Now see here. Here also you have minus 48 and here also minus 48. So write this as A. 26 is different and minus 36 is also different. So write minus 36 as C and 26 as B. Now what do you see? This is B into A plus A into C, or we can say A into B plus A into C. What is that equal to? A into B plus C. This is distributive property. Now this will become what then? A means minus 48 into B plus C means B is 26 plus C is minus 36. Okay? So now this is minus 48 into, now these are two numbers having opposite signs. Opposite signs means you subtract. When you subtract 36 and 26, you get 10. Bigger number 36, sign is minus, so it will become minus 10. Now multiply these two. 48 into 10 is what? 480, and two negative signs are there, even number of negative signs, so answer will be positive. So answer is 480. Okay. Now coming to the B part. B part is 8 into 53 into minus 125. Alright. Now see here. We can solve this question using suitable rearrangement, which you have already done in class 6. Now see, you combine these two. When you combine these two, what do you get? You get 8 into minus 125. ठीक है? Into 53. ये आ जाएगा. Now 8 into minus 125 is what? Minus 1000 into 53. 8 into 125 is 1000 and one negative sign is there, so minus comes here. Now multiply these two, 1000 and 53. What do you get? You get 53,000 along with minus ka sign. Is this clear? Now coming to C part. What is C part? Let's see. 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. Okay. Now let us see. We can solve this one again by suitable rearrangement, but let us see which two numbers we will combine, which pair. See here, we can combine these two because 25 4 is 100. So the other two is leftovers are this, we will multiply them together. So this will become 15 into minus 10, this is one group, into minus 25 into minus 4. ठीक है? तो 15 into minus 10 is what? Minus 150. वो कैसे? 15 into 10 150. 1 minus sign, so here it is minus. Into, now 25 4s are 100 and two negative signs means it becomes plus. Now 150 into 100 is how much? 150. Apart from this, these two zeros with minus ka sign. Is this clear? Right. Now we come to D part. D part. D part, the question is minus 41 into 102. Now in this what we do? We break this one as 100 plus 2. Minus 41 into 100 plus 2. This is distributive property. What happens in this? this minus 41 is multiplied by 100, this minus 41 is also multiplied by 2. ठीक है, so this becomes minus 41 into 100, then this plus sign, then minus 41 into 2. अब when you multiply these two, what do you get? 4100 with minus sign, then plus 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8 with minus sign. Now when you add these two, because they have same signs, what do you get? You get minus 4182. Is this clear? Now we come to E part. What is E part? 625 into minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. ठीक है, अब देखो हमें कॉमन क्या दिख रहा है? 625 दिख रहा है, यहाँ भी 625, मगर ये माइनस है और ये प्लस है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम इसको इस तरीके से लिख लेंगे, 625 इंटू माइनस 35 प्लस 625 इंटू माइनस 65. ये वाला माइनस साइन हम 65 को दे देंगे, क्योंकि ये प्रोडक्ट है इसलिए कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. हमने कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ी है इंटीजर्स में, क्या? a इंटू बी इज इक्वल टू बी इंटू ए. ठीक है, तो माइनस साइन भी इधर शिफ्ट हो सकता है. अब देखो, अब क्या है? ये a हो गया, ये b हो गया और ये c हो गया. ठीक है, तो a इंटू बी प्लस a इंटू सी, a इंटू बी प्लस a इंटू सी, ये क्या हो गया? a इंटू b प्लस c. ऑल राइट, so how can we write this? We can write this as a into b plus c. a मतलब 625 into b plus c मतलब minus 35 is b and minus 65 is c. ठीक है, अब ये 625 आ गया into same signs we add. When we add, what do we get? We get minus 100. ठीक है, now we multiply these two. When we multiply these two, what do we get? 625, 2 zeros, and this minus sign comes here. Is this clear? Right, now we come to F part. What is F part? 7 into 50 minus 2, right? We will apply here again distributive property. This is in the form what? A into b minus c. What is a into b minus c? A into b minus a into c. A into b minus a into c. तो हम यहाँ पे a ये है, b ये है, c ये है, and it is written in this form. So what we will have? a into b मतलब 7 into 50. ठीक है, then minus sign, then a into c मतलब 7 into 2. right? now 7 into 50 क्या हो जाएगा? 7 5 सा 35 और ये वाला 0 आ जाएगा. 7 2 सा 14. ठीक है, अब 350 minus 14 कितना होता है? दिस इज 336. so this is the answer. Is this clear? now we will take G part. Let us take now G part. What is G part? minus 17 into minus 29. ठीक है, अब हम इसको सीधा मल्टीप्लाई तो कर नहीं सकते क्योंकि हमें प्रॉपर्टीज़ यूज़ करनी है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम इसे ब्रेक कर देंगे. कैसे ब्रेक करेंगे? minus 17 है तो हम इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? -10 plus -7. हम इसको लिखते हैं दिस इज इक्वल टू -29 इंटू -10 प्लस -7। अब ये देखो ना, दोनों के सेम साइंस है तो वी विल ऐड, तो 10 + 7 17 हो गया, और 10 बड़ा है माइनस है तो -17 हो गया। तो इसका मतलब ये ब्रेकअप ठीक है। अब ये किस फॉर्म में है, a इंटू बी प्लस सी। अब a इंटू बी प्लस सी क्या होता है, a इंटू बी प्लस a इंटू सी, a इंटू बी प्लस a इंटू सी। ठीक है, तो हम इसको किस तरह से लिख सकते हैं, a मतलब -29 इंटू बी मतलब -10, देन प्लस देन a इंटू सी मतलब -29 इंटू सी क्या है -7। ठीक है, नाउ सी हियर 29 इंटू 10 इज 290, two negative signs are there, so this is positive, right? Now here plus sign, then let us take the product, 7 9s are 63, carry 6, 7 2s are 14, 14 and 6 20, 203. Two negative signs, it means it becomes plus. So now we add these two. When we add these two, what we get, 493. So this is the answer for this question. Now the next part is H part. H part is -57 into -19 plus 57. All right. Now you see, what should we do in this? We can write like this, -57 into -19 plus 57 into 1. We can write like this, isn't it? Okay, now further see here, there are two negative signs, so it becomes plus. So we can write this as 57 into 19 also, because it means the same. 57 into 1. Now see here, this is A, this is A, this is B, this is C. Now A into B plus A into C. What it becomes? A into B plus C. Alright, this is distributive property. So how do we write this one? We write this one as A into B plus C. What is A? A is 57 into B plus C matlab 19 plus 1. ठीक है, so this becomes 57 into 20. Now 2 7s are 14, carry 1, 5 2s are 10 and 1 11, and this 0 comes here, so we get this answer. Is this clear? Right. So with this part we close the session today. In the next class we shall start with the next topic.